Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an order that I bought from Oozak, spelled like that. It's all delusion stamps. They had a good deal. These were on sale for $13.55 each, which is an awesome deal. So, I got carried away, but that's okay, because I saved like $40-some. Wait a minute. So I got this one, doodle parts. Got mushrooms, little squiggly lines, little arrows, some foliage. That's that one. And I have this in a smaller version, but I picked it up in a bigger version. And it says, life is a zoo, never feed the monkeys. If it doesn't make you feel fabulous, don't do it, don't buy it, don't keep it. Pretending I'm a pleasant person is exhausting. Are you still talking? No, that one's new. I can hardly wait to regret this. Be you, the world will adjust. That's a new one. Dinner is poured. Laugh till you leak. It just makes it funnier. Who left the bag of idiots open? Didn't have that one. Don't give me an attitude. I already have it. Life is hard. Your art shouldn't be. I'm a rainbow and a sprinkle in a vanilla world. You may not have lost all your marbles, but there's definitely a hole in the bag. Don't give me attitude. I already have it. So I got that one. Then I got Never Forget Your Sparkle. It's the head and flowers and some bird and some little doodles in a hat. Never forget your sparkle. She sees it in black and white, thinks it in grays, and loves it in colors. Love that. Saying right there. And then I got Crown of Roses. We got a little body and some foliage, and then this gal with the roses, and there's a deer on top. And a little body you can use with this right here. 3 little maids. Get 3 little faces. Get this flowers and petals and these little lines. I like that you can take her stamps and use them with other ones. Excuse me. Next one is the Ties the Limit. I love this skirt. Look at all that coloring I can do. And then the person, the head, and some extra legs. You can use that with this, or these with that. You know, endless possibilities. And the next one I got is Sunshine Girl. I'll turn her so you can see her. I love, look at all the coloring. And the hat, that's just awesome. And the body, that's actually this way for a change. So that's cool. And all over. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit that. And the last one is Maisie Lily. Again, you have a little dress, a head, a little deer, some little legs, but you can incorporate. You put that on there. You can put that one on there. See? All the possibilities. You can take this head and put it on that one, and put this head on that one. There's endless possibilities to do it with Diane's. And that was my order from Oozak. And I will put their channel link in the description box. They have good deals right now. They have like a warehouse sale going on, so that's why these. But I did get, and I don't know if I showed them. Oh, I'll show them real quick. Got these 2 from Joann's last week. And then I got these 2 from Ranger. I'm stocked. It'll be a while before. But I sold stamps to buy stamps. And as you can see, I went with my delusion. I just love them. And this is how I store them. In a Dollar Tree basket. And I just kind of flip through when I want them. So, look at this. I don't need them. So, I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.